Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to do a really quick video of how to break a brick in half using a hammer and chisel. Okay, just a normal lump hammer and a normal bolster, and we're going to snap it in half. Now I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos out there doing this, but I thought I'd give you my 50p. Now I know you can use grinders, I know you can use steel saws, I know you can use brick choppers, but the average DIY enthusiast aren't necessarily going to have those items to hand. So how the hell do you break it in half without any posh tools? Well, it's quite simple really. Let's go ahead and let's take a look, shall we? It's quite easy. Once we've measured and marked our brick where we need it to be cut, we're then going to take our chisel, do some light taps while rotating the brick, making sure that we've got a bed of sand down so it takes the impact. Dirt's perfectly fine, but as long as you've got something there rather than just straight onto concrete. It can be done on concrete, but I wouldn't advise it. And just like that, we've chopped it nice and neatly in half, perfectly. Just the right size we need. Just like that. Now do take into account that there are different types of bricks, different classes of bricks, and each one will depend on how hard, how soft you'll hit it. The only advice I can give you is hit it nice and softly around the brick so you leave a nice indentation equally. And hopefully you'll get a nice clean cut. So thank you very much guys for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.